It's never been fun to drive a threaded insert. Until now. Threaded inserts, they are always a pain to drive. Can use a screwdriver, but that never works well. You could use a jig, but you got to build it. Or you can use my latest cool tool, and that's a power drive threaded insert bit. Works like a charm. I've driven three of these now, and I'd have this in my kit even if I only drove an insert once every 3 years. That's how good it is. Well, let me walk you through this. There's three high points here I want to show you. The key to this is these nibs here, and then there's a post, and that ball bearing. And then there's also, it's a standard 1/4 inch shank, so it'll fit any driver. What makes this golden is just slipping that on. It connects there, it's secure, and it drives like going through hot butter. Let me talk you through what I found best when I was trying to drive some inserts. It's a 1/2 inch diameter, so I drilled a 15/32 inch pilot hole. I'll put a little bit of lube paste wax on the insert. Helps drive it, helps a lot to drive it. And then drop the insert into the pre-drilled hole with the slots up. I'll chuck up the bit. Spin the driver slowly. The nibs on the bit will engage the slot on the insert. Make sure you're driving straight. And then drive slow. Drive it into place. Works slick. Another option would be to put the insert onto the bit before you drive it. So you would want to slip it on, line it up with the nibs, and there you go. And then just make sure your driver is straight up and down, and drive slow. So let's check this out and see how this works. There you go. Perfect. Anytime you need a threaded insert, this is the tool. For more information on it and anything else at the store, check us out at thewoodsmithstore.com. Thanks for listening. We'll see you next time.